What's going on, everybody? We're gonna today probably be cutting this muffler off right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it seemed like it was gonna be a nice day, and then as soon as I stepped outside, like the loudest clap of thunder you'll ever hear in your life. So we'll see how that goes and see if I get rained on or not. So what I originally wanted to do was cut this larger muffler off right here, and then just pretty much weld a straight pipe on, dual exhaust from the cat back. But the problem I'm running into on that is somebody before me decided to pull this little number right here. I don't know if you can see that. Basically, the cat probably got stopped up, and instead of wanting to spend $200 on a cat, they just decided that they were going to weld a piece of pipe on there and then leave the other one, which is super jank. But anyways, that kind of spoils my plan on cutting that off, because I don't want one pipe extremely straight pipe and loud. So like I said, I had planned on just removing these bolts right here, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Those are rusted all to shit, and I just don't think that they're gonna come off. So I'm probably better off just to cut it. So I'll probably cut it probably up in here where it's a little bit easier. And here comes the rain. Wonderful. Yep, it's raining. Don't look like we're gonna be cutting anything today, does it? Yep, about 30 minutes later, still pouring. Alright, next day. The rain never went away, but it's a beautiful day today. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off real quick with this. Probably not the best thing ever to use, but oh well, that's all I got for right now. Got a couple extra wheels for it. I think if I can get all the way around, it should be alright. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up so we can do a before and after. There's been a lot of people that's told me that there won't be any kind of a difference, and they're probably right, but for the sake of science, we'll go ahead and do it before and after. So let's get to that. Alright, so that was our before. Go ahead and get to cutting. Safety glasses, trusty Oakley gloves, and here we go. Alright, well, I was almost all the way through it, and I guess my grinder just died on me. I thought maybe I flipped a breaker or something, but I guess it's just died. It's old. My grandfather passed away, he left it to me, so it's probably from the late 90s. I didn't get it all the way off, but I was almost all the way through it, so just the fact that it's cut that far through it, I'm gonna set the camera up and turn it on and see if there's any sound difference. That much being cut off of it, if there's not a sound difference now, I don't think it would really add much more to it if the muffler or whatever it is was completely all the way off. So we'll start it up now and see if it sounds any different. If it doesn't, I'm probably just gonna leave it alone, to be honest. Alright, well, let's have a listen and see what it sounds like.